Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the FDD CR200. This is a standard heat detector dual action fire alarm detector. Here it is. That's a aluminum housing that you see there. Low profile, cast aluminum housing, mounting flexibility with the attaching here, single circuit with normally open contact configuration. Now this is a what's called a dual action. That means that it operates a little smarter than just the basic unit. It has, of course, a fixed temperature, which on the CR200 is 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It also features a rate of rise configuration. So the CR heat detectors are described as alarm initiating devices, single circuit with normally open contacts. Okay, the CR models are detectors that comprises a combination of rate of rise and fixed temperature, referred to as dual action. The rate of rise function allows the detector to close its contacts when the temperature at the ceiling increases at a rate of 8.4 Celsius or 15 degrees Fahrenheit per minute. Okay, the contact closure initiates the fire alarm sequence. The fixed temperature portion consists of a spring-loaded plunger held in place by a eutectic solder that will fuse at the specific temperature in Fahrenheit, as indicated in the model number. Eutectic is a word that you can search online for its definition. It basically allows a change in a substance where part of what makes up that item will have a different melting point than the other part of it. So it's an amalgamation where part of the amalgam has a different melting point, but you can accomplish the same temperature in the pieces that make up the unit, in this case the plunger fuse, where part of it will be solid and part will be liquid. Anyway, that's what that word kind of refers to. The CR series detectors are installed in areas where rapid increases in ceiling temperatures are not expected. This would be locations such as a stairwell. Forgive me, it's certainly in places other than stairwells. Let's be clear, other than stairwells. Dwelling units, storage cupboards, electrical closets, material storage rooms, shafts other than stairwells, transformer vaults, electrical rooms, and sprinkler rooms. Okay. Now, there are links below this video that will allow you to review the technical information. First of all, there's a data sheet, which is very handy. That will allow you to review in an overview sort of summary what the unit is, how it operates, what its specifications are. It also gives on page 3 of that a reference to the wiring diagram. It's very simple and very straightforward. You've got contacts that go from the alarm panel to the unit, and then from here out. Okay, if it's end of line, you can see in the wiring diagram how that's terminated. Okay. There is also a link below this video to a document called Installation Manual. That's very simple and straightforward. Gives more information regarding the way of operation, also how it's wired, but also the testing that you can use to make sure that the unit works. And quite frankly, just a simple hair dryer will allow that to work. Held 8 to 12 inches away, the detector will respond within 6 to 10 seconds. You don't want it to get too hot so that it trips the 200 degree Fahrenheit, because you will set the unit in permanent alarm and the unit would have to be replaced at that point because the solder would fail. Finally, there is a link below this video to the testing instructions, which detail what I just said. Very simple and very straightforward. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the FDD products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website. At this time, there is not a link to the manufacturer's catalog, either in their website or in our on our manufacturer's page, but if one becomes available, we will upload it there. If you have any questions on the FDD fire detection devices, CR200 dual action fire alarm initiating device, or any other FDD product, please feel free to reach out to us. Before I wrap this up, let's give you some dimensions. You always give dimensions. Forgot this time. An OD of about 4 9/16. An overall height of about 1 7/8. If you have any questions on this or any other FDD device, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.